Okay, to solve this problem of the interior angles of a triangle, you got to know that all three angles, when I add them up, are going to equal 180. So the interior angles always add up to 180. So in this particular problem, I'm going to just take all three angles, x, 3x, and x plus 4, add them up, and set them equal to 180. So here we go. X plus 3x plus x plus 40, and that will equal 180. You always set them up equal to 180. And then you always combine your like terms. So in this case, I got my 3x's. I add them up, I get 5x. Bring down my 40 equals 180. Subtract my 40. Remember, I'm trying to get that x by itself. Bring down my 5x. Then my last step is divide by 5. And I get x is equal to 28. Now, I'm going to do only one of them. Basically, what you have to do once you find x is plug it back into the equation for that particular angle that they're looking for. So in this case, I'm going to be looking for angle R. Angle R happens to be 3x. And then I'll just plug in the 28. Plug it into my calculator and multiply 3 times 28. And I get 84.